and grief, we need not be afraid because we know that our shepherd is with us in the midst of it. We can take comfort that he protects and guides us with his rod and staff, walking with us in the darkest of valleys. Even when faced with death, we don't need to be afraid. In 2 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 6 to 10, St. Paul shows that all his trials were for the welfare of the Pauline community and the suffering would
trusting in God, we have prayed together for Archbishop Dominic, Jala, STB, and now we come to the last of farewell. There is sadness in parting, but we take comfort with the hope that one day we shall see him again and enjoy his friendship. Although this community will disperse in sorrow, the mercy of God will gather us together again in the joy of his kingdom. Therefore, let us console one another in the name of Jesus Christ. Saints of God, come to his aid. Christ who called you, takes you to himself. Angels lead them to the bosom of Abraham.
Save his soul and present him to God the Most High.
Eternal rest grant unto him, O Lord, and let